I'm having working with AC India from last 2013 onwards, and I'm into some roles and responsibilities. Okay, to grow the clubs from Hyderabad division to very less to some 10 to 40 we grown, and of course then Telangana and Andhra Pradesh is combined, and it's divided, and we also divided these two into divisions. Okay, so now both divisions are growing very fast and very positive competitive way. So this is my introduction. So I am working currently as secretary of SASS Hyderabad division, taking the role of giving the benefits to all student community and professional communities. Okay, thank you. So now we'll entering into the topic, role of professional bodies in engineering, and especially I'm focusing on SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers. Okay, so here. So here one should understand the importance of education. Okay, education is very important areas to develop our skills, and in that our professional bodies are making the best role. Okay, best contribution to making you readiness for the industry. Okay, so you can see the 21st century challenges, that is outcome based education. Okay, because before just we are going with the bookish knowledge, and which is not good, so that our accreditation things are saying every time we need to concentrate on outcome based education. Okay, that's what we are getting the accreditations, NBA, NAC, and all these things based on this. Okay, and student centric learning, before the thing is happening even from the ancient days, like that only student orientation learning, keen observation of students, so that he can what he can learn and what are the things he is best, and so that he can be trained in that way. But now the things are not happening, that is one of the problem. Okay, so here you can see the people need to develop the critical thinking and industry readiness. Okay, so some example like given from the Mahabharata. Okay, where Arjuna is making the aim, and our POs says you should be in lifelong learning. Okay, the technologies, new technologies of Industry 5.0 I mentioned here, so that I think everyone knows Industry 4.0 and 5.0, where the interdisciplinary topics, okay, especially from the mechanical side, you can get everything in from the Industry 5.0. When you are very good with Industry 5.0, you are employable for sure. Okay, so here the very important thing, one quotation you can see at the bottom in the green, it's not what teachers teach here, it's what learners learn is very important. Okay, okay, see what professional bodies or societies will help you to reach this one. Okay, so here the professional societies are dedicated to give the knowledge for the professionals. Initially it is started, but after that you can see other than SAE, remaining professional bodies are not much concentrating on the students community. Of course indirectly they are contributing, but not directly. But SAE is one of the important professional body where it is concentrating not only developing the professionals, okay, in making the professional standards while they're working in the industry, okay, to make them technically, ethically competed. Okay, okay, you can take and have more knowledge in this area, so that they can get through their promotions, and their knowledge and dissemination and maintaining the standards will happen. Okay, so you can have a more detailed explanation you can see here, so that okay, main aim it is started for professionals, but students also becoming engineers, that's where we are concentrating. Okay, so here why do the professional communication required? Okay, so please uh, okay, so beyond borders you can learn, because just textbooks are not enough. Okay, and making the professional documents, okay, as per the standards. okay, and getting you into the different perspectives where you can mentored by the industry, you can okay, anywhere it is all over the world, okay, and connecting and networking with the peers and the seniors. This is one of the important thing, because getting the appointment of some Anand Mahindra or some Ambani is not possible for you, but during the meetings, during the conferences, during the special programs, you can meet and you can talk and you can share the knowledge, and even you can get benefited out of many ways through the professional bodies, okay, and it builds your confidence so that your skill set will improve, and continuously you are improving in with the lifelong learning, and getting the promotions and enhancing your research passions and all. So this way the professional bodies are making lot of improvement, okay, by making the improvement in productivity in all the industries, and also increasing the capability of workforce, okay, and management, because enhancement their skills, okay, and more trust, and
Giving the vote of thanks to Professor Venkateshwar Reddy. The main point is, see, even though I had gotten a couple of degrees, I really feel and privileged what all points which Venkateshwar Reddy Garu has said is very, very relevant at the current moment which you are in, second year and third year. Because if I would have got this opportunity when I was in my BTech, I would have definitely used it. But however, being a faculty, I'll definitely I'll try to utilize the points or try to enroll into the SAE and other professional bodies, which is very, very important, and those will really enhance my professional career. And I request any students, if you have any doubts, please reach us so that we can bring into the notice of Professor Venkateshwar Reddy Garu. And sir, I truly say that your presentation is really very, very good, because I had worked with many research organizations and I have seen, but I was not very so deep into the professional bodies. So this was really an enlightening talk which you have given for the faculties. Actually, we have organized this webinar predominantly
thank
for
you,
the
sir.
students. Predominantly for the students, but your lecture was for both faculty community and students community. For both of them, you have given a very precise and a detailed description that was really appreciated, and we are very thankful to you, and we request you to kindly help us or support us whenever we require for such kind of event. Thank you very much for accepting our
Definitely, sir.
invitation, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we have another program. Eminent person from RAP Motors, the CEO of RAP Motors, going to present his ideologies, designs, in the challenges of electric vehicle. Please expect your presence, virtual presence on this webinar. Thank you, one and all present here.
And students, kindly submit your feedback form and you can leave. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Understood, sir. Please, your camera is on, sir. I will call to you. I will call to you.